y'all? It's your girl Mo of all things Mo L. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be trying out not one, not two, but 3 brand new products from Carol's Daughter. So I feel like that's not like a brand that I talk about a whole lot on my channel. So I'm excited to try out these products today. If you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But before we get into it, y'all already know what the deal is. Please make sure that you have taken a moment to subscribe to my channel. And while you're down there near that subscribe button, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. All right, so either last week or the week before that, Carol's Daughter did announce on their Instagram that they were launching a follow-up deep conditioner to go with their Wash Day Delight, which is their water to foam shampoo with aloe that came out earlier this year. So when I tried this and reviewed it for my channel, I really did like this. So when I found out they were coming out with an accompanying deep conditioner, I just had to try that one out. Now I also found out at the same time that they were coming out with a rose water edition of the Wash Day Delight as well as the deep conditioner as well. So I did go ahead and pick up the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner that is 20. Let me say it again, 20 ounces. We love to see a deep conditioner that's 20 ounces. Okay, so I got this one. I got the Wash Day Delight Love It First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo with rose water as well as the matching deep conditioner. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys, since I feel like comparison videos have kind of gotten really popular on my channel, we're gonna do this video comparison style. So on one side of my head, I will use the original Wash Day Delight that has the aloe. Then on the other side of my head, I will use the new Wash Day Delight with rose water. So yeah, we're just gonna be comparing all 4 of those products today. Now we'll go ahead and say, if you are the ingredients police, you probably not gonna really like the ingredients that are in this product because they do contain some silicones. I know some people will not be happy about that. I personally don't mind using silicones every now and then. It's not like all of my products contain silicones because they don't. I'm just not super ingredients conscious. If it works on my hair, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to use it as long as I don't see that it is causing any damage or harm to my hair. Now, when I was looking at the ingredients of all 4 of these products, the only differences that I really noticed in the original line versus the new rose water line is the addition of rose extract and rose flower extract. So the ingredients don't honestly seem to be that different. I will leave all the ingredients listed in the description box if I can find them on the internet, because sometimes I just don't feel like typing out all these ingredients, so I be wanting to copy and paste. The claims are pretty much the same, except the products with the rose water say that it's supposed to give you a blooming, healthy looking shine. The same thing goes for the deep conditioner. They both claim that they will allow you to use your fingers to detangle in less time, and we all love to cut out the hassle of detangling on the, you know, type 3 and type 4 hair. So I'm all for that. They pretty much claim to do the exact same thing, except for the rose water, the hair is supposed to be looking a little shinier. So we're just going to compare all of them and just see if I can notice any difference. So all right, so my hair is in these twists because it has been pre-pooed ahead of time. I did rinse out my hair, but I didn't like completely get all of the pre-poo out. I mainly just rinsed it enough just to wet it. So in my video where I reviewed the original Wash Day Delight, I did say that this product is a clarifying product. So if you are the kind of person who likes more of a moisturizing, creamy shampoo, you are not going to like this. I love that it has this nozzle because I can apply it directly to my scalp. So let's go ahead and do that. I do like the smell of this. It has a very light smell, like a light but fresh scent to it. So as you can see, it's instantly starting to foam up, and I'm really concentrating this on my scalp to make sure that whatever buildup I do have, it's getting cleansed. So I love the way that this feels in my hair, which is also what I said in my initial video. Alright, so moving on to the other side of my head, let's go ahead and whip out the Wash Day Delight with rose water. Okay, so the first difference that I'm noticing, of course, is the smell. This smells straight up like roses. So if you like floral smells, then you will like this. As far as the lather, I seem to be getting pretty much the same amount of lather as I got from the original Wash Day Delight. I feel like they're both applying the same way. Okay, you guys, so far the only difference that I can really see between these two shampoos are the smell. I feel like they are performing the same. I feel like they applied the same. My hair feels or felt the same way with both of them in there. So once I rinse it out, I will look to see if I notice more of a shine on the rosewater side, but I don't know. We shall see. I'm about to go rinse this out, and then I will be back when it is time to apply the deep conditioner. So see you guys in a minute. All right, y'all, so before I get into the deep conditioning, there are a couple of things that I wanted to mention prior to getting into this, but I was just so excited that I forgot, so I'm gonna mention them now. So I did say that these products have silicones. I wanted to clarify that the Wash Day Delight shampoos actually do not contain silicones. They also don't contain sulfates, parabens, or artificial colors. It's the deep conditioners that contain the silicones, not the Wash Day Delight shampoos. Also, just a quick word about Carol's Daughter, because I know somebody's going to be in my comments like, girl, I stopped supporting Carol's Daughter because they not black owned anymore and they changed their ingredients and and that's fine. But I choose to still use the products because they work for my hair. Now, I will say that there are some collections that don't work, that have never worked, that I will never use again, such as the Black Vanilla. That one doesn't work. Sacred Tiare, nope. That Milk collection, those do not work for my hair. But some of her later launches, like the Almond Butter or the Almond Milk collection, the Cocoa Cream collection, I love. I also love the Goddess Strength collection, and I really like the Wash Day Delight products as well. So as long as something works on my hair and it is not causing damage, I'm going to use it no matter who owns it, unless the owner is like morally corrupt or is a stalker or does weird things, stuff like that. But other than that, I'm going to use the product. So I just wanted to put that little disclaimer out there. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like after rinsing out the shampoo. So if you guys remember, the original, the Aloe Wash Day Delight is on this side. The Rosewater Wash Day Delight is on this side. And honestly, I don't really see a difference and I don't really feel a difference. So far, I feel like these two have performed exactly the same, and your preference is really going to come down to the scents that you like, because this one has a much fresher scent and then this one is much more florally. So those are the only differences that I can see. But now let's move on to these babies, which I'm super excited to try because y'all know that deep conditioning is my favorite part of my regimen. So let me get my hair back section off. As far as how my hair feels, it definitely feels like it needs to be deep conditioned. Like, it doesn't necessarily feel dry and brittle and hay-like, but it does feel like it needs to be deep conditioned. So let's start off with this bad boy. So big. I just love that it's 20 ounces. As far as the smell, it smells exactly like the matching shampoo. Okay, the consistency is thick. It is supposed to be a jelly to cream conditioner, which is interesting to me. So let's just see how it works. I'm gonna rub it in a little bit. Ooh, it feels very creamy on my hands. Okay, so going on, it feels very moisturizing and creamy. And although it's thick, it does seem to be spreading through my hair very nicely. My hair seems to be absorbing it quite nicely too. So far so good. I am going to see how much slip it has. And ooh, she has slip, definitely has slip. So as far as its claims to detangle, those claims are certainly true. My hair feels really good with this, and like really good. Oh my gosh, I love this. I do feel the consistency of the product changing too. It said it was supposed to be a jelly to cream, and as you can see, as I worked it through my hair, it does look a lot more creamy. So pretty cool. Aloe. It seems to work better when my hair is a little more wet as far as it absorbing into my hair, so that's why I'm just spraying it just a little. Oh, the slip is so good. The slip is so good. Normally with these back sections, my hair is a lot thicker back there. I would normally have to break this back section up in order to detangle it, but I don't even need to do that here. It's like detangling like a dream. Maybe that's why they call it a dream detangler. Little girl.
Yeah, let me say something.
No. All right, I'm done. All right, now we're gonna move on to the other side of my head where we're going to test out the rose water one. So again, it smells just like roses, just like the shampoo. So the products smell exactly the same as their matching shampoo. So it feels the same in my hands. It has that jelly-like consistency. And it feels the same going in. Like, my hair is just instantly softened. I honestly feel like these deep conditioners are the perfect companions to the shampoos, because those shampoos are clarifying, and I just feel like the deep conditioner just instantly pops that moisture right back in there. And the slip is there on this one as well. I've applied both of these products throughout the entirety of my head, so the directions don't really say anything about adding heat, like sitting under a dryer or under a steamer or under a heat cap. So I'm just gonna kind of let it sit for a little bit, then I will rinse it out and come back and give you guys my final thoughts on these products. So be right back. I have just rinsed out the deep conditioner, and this is what we are working with right now. So this is the side that had the regular Wash Day Delight deep conditioner. This is the side that had the Rose Water Wash Day Delight. I don't see any noticeable difference on how each side is looking. Do y'all see a difference? Because I don't. They feel the same on both sides. They're both soft. Not like overly moisturized, but definitely hydrated. Like, there's not like a greasy film left on my hair, which can sometimes happen with deep conditioners that have like silicones in them. But I don't feel that film on my hair. It just feels hydrated. Application wise and performance wise, exactly the same. I enjoyed both of these deep conditioners. The only difference, like I said earlier, is honestly the smell. But other than that, I don't see any difference in any of these. As far as what I will use again and what I will repurchase again, I will definitely use all 4 of these products again. I really enjoy all 4 of them. I feel like the shampoo does an excellent job at cleansing and clarifying my hair, and then I feel like the deep conditioners both made my hair feel soft and hydrated and ready to go for styling. So will I repurchase? Probably. Honestly, it'll be one or the other. I probably won't repurchase both of them because, again, they both do the exact same thing, and I don't really have a preference as far as the smell is concerned, because I like the smell of both of these. So I guess it will just depend on what mood I'm in and what I can get my hands on. I do know, I saw on their Instagram page that these are only available online right now, but they will be in Target, I believe she said, in late January. So if you're looking to try those out but don't want to, you know, go through shipping and ordering online and all that stuff, then she got you at the end of January in Target stores, I believe. So those are pretty much my thoughts on these products. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, please be sure to comment down below. Leave me a thumbs up because those really help me out a lot. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.